Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing of the UMIDIGI UBEATS wireless neckband headphones. If you do already, thank you for subscribing to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, and if you don't, please do subscribe. You'll get notified of all the latest video releases we do, whether they're video reviews of products, unboxings, or sample videos and first impressions. So the UMIDIGI UBEATS we ordered on Amazon, and this is a product that you can purchase from Amazon in the UK and is fulfilled by Amazon. So if you're a Prime member, you can get this straight away. Now, these are wireless Bluetooth earphones, which means that you don't have to have a wire to connect them to your device. They have a battery built in, and in this case, they're made to sit on your shoulders and be there. The packaging is fairly simple. I've just opened it up. There's a sign saying void at the top. Packaging is very simple, cardboard box, and on the inside there is a set of headphones in a plastic box. Now I've put the box aside. Let's put the earphones themselves aside and see what else comes in the box. So you have a user manual. It's not a booklet, it's one big leaflet, which is fine. There's a nice big QR code so that you can go to umidigi.com. You'll see there's all the basics on how to set the device up, what the buttons do, how there are in-neckband volume controls and controls for answering calls. So there you are, and it's in a selection of languages. There's a nice UMIDIGI card thanking us for purchasing an UMIDIGI product and social media links. There is some spare earbuds in different sizes. I'm assuming these are small and large, and that medium are already installed on the headphones themselves. And then there's a micro USB cable. That's micro USB to USB-A, and that's how this set of neckband earphones charges. Okay, so pretty standard here, but let's look at the headphones themselves. Take this plastic off, and nicely presented, but there's a potential risk of damage if you don't look out here. But let's take them out of the packaging. There we go. They come undone. And there we have it. So these are the UMIDIGI wireless neckband earphones. They have a reassuring rubbery feel up to the ends here, where there are some buttons for controls, an UMIDIGI logo. There is a little sealant bit of plastic in front of the micro USB charging port. And the buds themselves are magnetic, so when you put them on, they can clip together when they're not in use. It means there's less dangling around, less likely they'll get damaged. So what I'm going to do is take my smartphone. Let's pick the Nokia 2.2, which we recently unboxed here on Tech Travel Geeks. And let's set up Bluetooth with them. So what we need to do is go into pairing mode on the headphones. And I'm assuming it's a long press on the power button. So power on, I see a flashing light, and then I'm going to go into my Android One Nokia 2.2, pair a new device, and we'll see what is available. Maybe I need to set it, oh no, there we are, we see UBEATS come up. That is the UMIDIGI UBEATS wireless earphones. So what I'm going to do once the pairing is complete is pause the recording of this video. You can see that There is also an indicator on your smartphone of what the battery level on the UBeats is, which is very, very useful. That is because it is USB 5, and you can have that as a feature on your product if you're using that. So what I'm going to do is pause the recording now and listen to some content. In this case, we're going to listen to some marvelous music by Jennifer Page and give an evaluation of how the UMIDIGI UBeats perform. So I'm going to pause this and we'll pick up in a moment. So there we go. I am back. I have tested the UMIDIGI UBeats with Bluetooth from the YouTube app to the UMIDIGI UBeats, and I was pleasantly surprised. The sound seems to have plenty of bass. The high pitches seem to be handled well, and its sound quality for the price seems to match some slightly more expensive headsets that I've been using. But I have to say, for the price, which is around about £20 from Amazon in the UK, the UMIDIGI UBeats seem to be good value for money. The neckband is comfortable. It's not too bad on the thing. The controls are easily feelable, as in you don't have to be looking at them to use them. You can feel the difference between the volume rocker and the power button or the call answering button. You can also use, as I said, the magnetic clip on the back of the headphones to clip them together when not in use. And that gives me a bit of reassurance when I'm, for example, walking to work or commuting or having to take my headphones out whilst I speak to the people at Greg's who are preparing my breakfast in the morning. So UMIDIGI UBeats, so far, first impressions are very, very positive. I think they're a good purchase. And what I think I'll be doing is using this for the next few weeks in my commutes to work and potentially some further travels, and then giving a full review on techtravelgeeks.com. But this was the unboxing of the UMIDIGI UBeats for the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and if you don't already, please do consider subscribing to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you have any questions or you would like to give us your opinion on what this video is like, please leave a comment below. And if you like this or disliked it, please give us a like or dislike here in the YouTube app. But for now, that's me, Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Thanks for watching.